Have you ever faced the frustrating no internet connection issue in CapCut, even though your internet is perfectly fine? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix it. By the end, your templates will load 100%. Let's get started. Here's the issue we're talking about. When trying to use templates, CapCut says, no internet connection. This can be super frustrating when you're in a hurry to edit. You might face a problem where these template and effect won't load, even with a stable connection. Now let me walk you through the fix. Follow these steps carefully. First, open your device settings. Scroll down and tap on More Connections. Then, click on Private DNS. Set the host name to dns.google.com and save the changes. This step improves your connection and security and can sometimes resolve issues. Next, open any VPN app and connect to a server. A VPN can bypass some regional restrictions and improve connectivity. But here's the catch. Even after setting the DNS and using a VPN, the problem still persists for some users. Now for the final and most effective fix. Open CapCut, go to its settings and click on Language. Change your language from English to Espanol. Once done, refresh the templates. Boom! Just like that, the templates start loading and the problem is solved 100%. It's a simple trick that works wonders. If this video helped you solve the problem, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!